Hi everyone, I'm Sheila Howell with Red One Realty, your trusted real estate agent here in Central Ohio. Today I want to talk about something crucial to your real estate journey, the importance of letting me handle the negotiations on your behalf. You know, it's an art and a science. And in real estate, it's a skill that can make or break the deal. If you hire me as your agent, you're just not getting someone to show you homes or list your property. You're getting a seasoned negotiator with over a decade of corporate negotiations, where I've successfully negotiated multiple million-dollar contracts. And this experience has equipped me with the sharpest negotiation skills, a deep understanding for market dynamics, and the ability to secure the best possible deals for my clients. By entrusting me with the negotiations, we can keep our strategies confidential. Your motivations, flexibility, and willingness to compromise will remain undisclosed, giving us a significant advantage. I approach each negotiation strategically, leveraging every piece of information on your behalf. By allowing me to take the lead on negotiations, you can rest assured that your interests are my top priority. My aim is to secure the best price for you, whether you're buying or selling. Trust me in my expertise, and together we'll achieve the best possible outcome. But you have to be careful. Not all agents are created equal. Just because your brother, sister, aunt got their real estate license a year ago, and they're going to be discounting their commission by 1%, you have to watch out, because that percent can cost you a lot more than the percent you're saving. It could cost you thousands and thousands of dollars due to the lack of negotiation experience. I'm Sheila Howell with Red One Realty, simplifying your real estate journey.